Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and choose Notifications and Control Center. Then you need to choose App Notifications and select one of your apps, like Chrome. Then when I click on the switcher next to it, as you can see, all notifications from Chrome are now disabled. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just tap on one of your apps and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!